Hello, my name is Panji Prakoso. I'm from XTKR2. So, after I studied for 1 semester, I understand quite well about simple past tense and others. Yes, even though I'm still not an expert, there are things I know. I went through many things in this 8th semester, especially in English lesson. One of which was making a video about an interview with the theme descriptive exploration and a presentation about three contexts which was done online. Both tasks had a lot of funny things that happened, such as when conducting the first video interview or cameraman was unstable when taking a video. I happened to be the cameraman myself, and during the presentation about the context which was done on Zoom, it had many problems, starting from the internet network which was can be conditioned. There is a lack of planning during presentation and more joking around. And also when doing a segment about post-test context, when I recorded a video for this segment, there were many things that interfered with me making the video, starting from my little brother coming into the room and disturbing me, forgetting the text that I memorized, the audio suddenly turning off in my editing application suddenly not working. Well, at first I didn't like English because the language was too complicated and one word had many meanings depending on how we read it. But where I see someone who can speak English, he has many chances to get a job because of the advance of speaking English. Because English is the one of the important language when we go abroad and makes it easier for us to ask people there about things. I want to be able to speak English because it will give me a greater chance of finding work later and also car use English. Therefore, I need to be able to make it easier for me when disassembling a car engine. That's all the story about the English subject of for this semester. Sorry if there are wrong words when telling the story because I'm still learning good and correct English. That's all my story. Once again, I apologize my if there are any mispronunciations. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.